In the last video, we used data-driven design, the type comments, um, as we can see in line 26 on the right, to create a cross product of type tables. Uh, and we use this table to figure out what to do in different cases when our target value that we're trying to hit and our array interact at different points in time. So now with this information, we're going to, which is kind of like our map, we're going to use this to work on our function, which is kind of like the walking part in a new city. So what I'm going to first do is I'm going to start designing this function. So I'm going to first comment out the stub. So we're going to write the function partition helper. So let's look at what we have in our cross product table. So if we look at line 5, or I guess this table right here on the right, so what we see is that if the target is ever equal to 0, we know that we have to produce true. Because if we ever hit the target, we know we should produce true. So if target equals 0, return true. Else if. Okay, so now we've done we've done these two boxes, so now we have to do this box on the far right, top far right, the northeast box, and in this box we're out of the array, and the natural number is greater than 0. So so if we like this, so if so our index I is where we are in our array. So 0 is the last index in our array. So if index I is less than 0, because that means that we're out of the array. And we know that target is greater than 0. Then what we know is that we need to return false. So else, the last thing that we do, because the last case is box 4, because we took care of box 1 and 3 with if target is equal to 0. So in box 4 is now when we have to deal with our recursive case. So in box 4, what I want to return is this. Copy this, and I'm going to paste it down here. Return this. So this is Python, so I can't have this unnecessary line return. So we've hit all our boxes, we've hit all our cases. So now, so what we've done is we've used data-driven design to help us, which is our map, to write this function. So we've written everything in our function. So the next step that we need to do is we need to test our function and see if it works properly. And then we're going to have to discuss about repeated recursive calls, which is often a problem in problems such as these, where you have you're making the problem smaller, but only by increments by 1. So in the next section, we're going to discuss like testing our function and what we can learn from that.